This is Clement Ikeru documentary.
Please click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications.
Money,
Obi Iyebu, popularly known as Obi Cubana and fondly called Celebrity Barman, is a Nigerian-based businessman, hospitality executive, entertainer, entrepreneur, business mogul, philanthropist, and a show killer. He is the chairman and owner of the popular Cubana groups, which have different chains of parastatals. Obi Cubana is from Oba, a community in Idemili South local government area of Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. He was born on 12 April 1975 in Enugu, the core city state. He is currently 46 years old. Obi Cubana is currently married to Ebele Inyegbu, and the marriage is blessed with 4 handsome boys. His children's names are Alex, Ifeanyi, Ebube, and Kosi Shoshuku. In 1998, after completing his primary and secondary school education, Obi Cubana proceeded to University of Nigeria in Nsukka, where he obtained a bachelor's degree in political science. In 2006, Obi Cubana started his first club called Ibiza Club in Abuja, seeking to satisfy fun seekers and nightlife lovers. Following the remarkable progress he made from the Ibiza Club, Obi Cubana established the Cubana Group, a hospitality hotel and club that provides all-around entertainment satisfaction back then in 2009. Cubana Group was first established in Owerri, the Imo State capital, in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Today, Cubana Group has spread across various states in the country, including Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Owerri, and Enugu. The list of businesses and establishments under Cubana Group include Rolex Hotel in Lagos, Cubana Leisure Outfit in Lagos, Pablo Cubana in Lagos, Crave Cubana in Abuja, Grand Cubana Hotels in Abuja, Opium Cubana in Owerri, Cubana Nightclubs in Lagos, Gustavo Cubana in Enugu. You can see why he is called a celebrity barman. Obi Cubana close associates include Pascal Okechukwu, popularly known as Cubana Chief Priest, to manage his entertainment conglomerate around the country. Obi Cubana, in a recent interview, revealed that he is currently working on Cubana Dubai and Cubana Real Estate. Obi Cubana has won several awards and recognitions across the country. He is currently expanding its reach across Nigeria's border and also outside Nigeria. Some of the awards Obi Cubana has won include Democracy Heroes Award as Democracy Entrepreneur of the Year, that is in 2018. In May 2017, Obi Cubana was awarded the Wrightville School Special Leadership Award, Ghana Nigerian Achievement Award, Inspiring Personality Award, Northern Nigerian Peace Summit Award, Northern Nigerian Peace Builder of the Year Award, Nigerian Film Corporation Entertainment Award, Icon Award, and Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award. In 2008, Obi Cubana got married to his beautiful wife, Ebele Inyegbu, who is a lawyer by profession, and the union is blessed with 4 sons. She calls herself the mother of boys because she has only boys as her children. Obi Cubana is married to Ebele Iyebu, who is the founder and owner of the KIEK Foundation, a non-governmental organization established with the aim of improving the lives of the less privileged children in our society through quality education, healthcare, nutrition, and child rights governance. Obi Cubana is currently one of the richest and the most influential personalities, entertainer, show promoter, public figure, and entrepreneur in Nigeria, with an estimated net worth of $100 million. When you convert that amount to Nigerian naira, Obi Cubana has an estimated net worth of 50 billion naira. This is based on his income, property, and assets. Obi Cubana created history and controversy in Nigeria on Friday, 16 July 2021, when he gave his late mother a befitting burial. The burial had billionaires, public figures, celebrities, and politicians in attendance, and money was flying in the air like rockets. It was the most lavish and most extravagant burial of all time. Billions of naira were spent on that day, which made people to question his source of wealth and income. Obi Cubana received a cash gift worth over 1 billion naira. He was said to have gotten over 346 live cows, 72 live goats, 20 live rams during his mother's extravagant burial ceremony. Obi Cubana has not stopped receiving gifts from his friends, employees, and those he has supported through life. It was earlier reported that Obi Cubana got 46 live cows from his former employee, Cubana Chief Priest, and 10 cows from his old-time friend and young billionaire, Joey Zaza. Other celebrities like E-Money, Zubi Michael, Odumeje, and others were throwing bunches of money on him. It was reported that Obi Cubana made an estimate of 1 billion naira on his mother's burial ceremony. Obi Cubana is a businessman that has achieved a lot so far, but still has a great personality. He likes to keep a low-profile life and has just a few cars and lots of assets. Obi Cubana, through an interview with journalists, urged Nigerian youth to desist from seeking wealth through illegal means, stating that he does not have soap to cut for anyone. Speaking in an interview with BBC on Tuesday, 20 July 2021, Obi Cubana said he got his breakthrough when he made his first million naira after his NYSC program in Abuja. He said that it was in Abuja that he was introduced into the real estate business, where he met a client who wanted to furnish a house. After furnishing the house for the client, Obi Cubana was gifted 500,000 naira, as he also made over 600,000 naira in profit for the job. According to him, this was the first 1.1 million naira I made before I joined contract work in Abuja. I signed a contract with PPMC, made a little money, and then bought my first Mercedes V-Boot. I invested the money I made into a garden beer parlor before I established Cubana Group. Miracle can't give you money because pastors need money more than you. Native doctor can't give you money either because they need money more than you. If you want money, you have to work hard for it. It doesn't come easily. It comes through dedicated hard work and persistence. If you are in your 20s, work hard now. I am 46 years old now. I have done my first half. I don't know why someone who is just 20 years old will say he has not made it when he still has over 60 years or more than 70 years ahead of him. There is no soap to be caught for anybody. There is no soap anywhere. The secret is work hard, pray, be good, and make your own soap. Obi Cubana stated during a live interview with BBC.
Me not gonna give money, cause that pastor said if you need the money pass. Little doctor don't give you money, cause in children and then they fetch water for a stream. If they want, they give you money. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. My name is Mr. Obinna Iyebu, the one where they know as Obi Cubana or Pato Zuara. My mama burial can't be like this because we don't promise our mama say the time when she go turn 80 years. Say the kind carnival where we go do for her. Person never do her for this world. As they can't be, they can't choke, she can't die before the 80 years. What we go do now? We can't carry all the effort, all the plan, all the energy, everything where we be one plan for do for her 80th birthday. Come put them inside this burial. That's why it can't be like saying a talk of town. You know, saying that 50 years where Papa die with this. So if you can't get Papa, get Mama, Papa can't die. You can't carry love again. Where you get for Papa, can't join the one where you can't get Mama. That one, now love is beautiful now. And she they play the role of Papa and Mama. Before you go, she must pray for you. If you know that, she must pray for you. And she can't die. Can't be like say they don't come out part of my energy. I go plan make people throw money, carry and bath. The money I then get up. The way where they use them, I don't want to use them like that. All those people where you see there are big men, established men, people where don't make big name for what thing that they do. But I feel say they want to show love. Love to the family, love to Mama, love to the Cubana group. And people where we don't take since before we don't even begin get money. Most of them are schoolmates. Most of them are people where we don't work out together, where we the hustle. Because we don't come back, you don't come alive, can't be like this. We get history. So when you can't get things like this now, maybe people go feel say, okay, now this opportunity they go use, maybe they show you love, show your town, say you get people. Now what I see what happened for that matter, what happened that day. For the business, what will they do? Say, I show business. So everything can join. Can't they sweet my belly like that? Well, I'm not gonna happy. I happy now. At least don't be told say they catch me thief. Don't be said to catch me do this one or say they disrespect my country. Everything what I do, that thing where we carry my town over and the Anambra State put on for world map and the thing happen like that. I go they happy now. So as they bomb me for this Oba where we sit down now. Now I come put me for primary school. That time my mama a teacher for that primary school, Central School Oba. Opposite that place where we do the burial. Now there the school there. As we come past now. Can't go secondary school. Now they carry me go Onitsha. As I can't reach Onitsha, DMGS, there we pass. Congo University of Nigeria and Soka. You go surprise yourself, say what I study in political science. But as you can't look for job, 99 now you can't do your service. For Abuja, look for job, so take issue one bend. You can't begin do small mama put. And from there we will take beer parlor for garden. From garden now you can't God bless us, you can't through RFI, you can't demolish everything that time. We still say hope don't finish. You can't go open Ibiza. Ibiza now you can't bomb Cubana. That time where will they do that our garden? Me and my brothers and friends, we live for 1 zone 4 house that time. That time that's room 12 by 12 where we put phone for ground. Now like 6 we there inside the room, we dey manage. That time we know the suffer, now we be the biggest boy because that time Abuja never tear eye as it tear right now. So we dey do am, we dey push at that time. Anything where we see, we go just dey try make we turn stand to Gary, make we transform anything where we go fit. One can carry some of them, go Port Harcourt, carry one, go Czechoslovakia, carry one, go Lagos. We can't remember for the Abuja, so we go find what thing we can't find here. So that's Abuja we dey manage. We don't look person own. We don't look say we one day like this person, but they look and say we go reach where we dey. Say hunger no go kill us. Say one day we must get married, raise our children. Say one thing things go better for us. You know go there as you dey today. Not be everything where you dey see today work. Oh. Some no work. Some we put out, we lost money.
For instance.
Man, I don't call that one. You know, say people don't like celebrate failure. But they like you say some of the businesses where we put our money, where we put our hand, you don't work. Then we go back again, go back to drawing board again, look at what happened. What happened? What no, we don't do well. So I think immediately after my youth service for Abuja, that was the first time I made my first 1 million naira. That time Abuja they do agency now. The land they sell for Abuja now to find house. You can pay you 5%. At that time I hear waiting 5% for the first time in my life. So with the hustle. Because they use service that time, 2,000 they pay us for National Assembly. Because Nigeria where we serve. That time our allowance for National NYSC na 100 and something naira. Second German for the 2,000 where you collect that day. Go buy small things, they make food. Make sure stay food there for house. So as we come to find those small contracts, I come meet one client who say make we furnish house for him. We did it very well. He was so happy. That's me 500k. But after the 500k, now me my profit what I make, call it like 600 and something k. So that now 1.1 million be that. If I can join contract, I do small contract for PPMC. Make small money that time. Buy my V-boot. Now for the money you carry invest for the garden business. For open Kubana. I no get time to answer person who want tell me what I want use money where I make do. Na me make them. Na me. Your own na to the watch. If I want anything I want to do, I could do. To God be reply person when ask me what I carry my money do. That one a waste of time. I go rather focus the energy on how to make more money and do anything I want to do. So when you go make your own. These people where they write this thing for Instagram or internet. If you see their leg, you don't go around the entire parlor. They're not about finish. Now just people who know one better thing. And to them now everything where you do must be illegitimate. Now not be saying a straight way. But they will be surprised because that time when they take lie down, they criticize, they write nonsense. Carry and go find waiting. So far say God give you leg, give you hand, say you get brain, say you feel walk. You'll be surprised at the opportunity waiting for this in Nigeria. They'll be surprised. So to come begin answer them, come join matter with them. You can't be like same me and then come become the same thing again. So we don't get time for that kind of matter. Many people don't give money. For that pastor said, if you need the money pass. Little doctor don't give you money because in children and then they fetch water for a stream. If they want, they give you money. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Don't cheat your fellow man. Keep your hands straight as much as you can. It's a natural door opener. You don't need to do all those things. Fasting as prayer, yes, for spirituality. I'm a Christian. But the time you say if you do fasting and prayer, money will come. That one na you sabi. Little doctor na you sabi. All those things go kill fowl, go keep to carry. Here say when people they carry pad up and that one na nonsense. Whatever you define, you say you fit do. Keep your hands straight. That one you don't solve 90% of the matter. The other one na grace of God. Once you put them for your hand, nobody feel come out and go. Don't look at another person own. If you look at them, have to clap for them. Not be to wish say, how I want to let this one. Not be your own. Even Bible talk and say, do not covet. That means don't look person own like saying that you get them. Once you do those things, you know you even know people who are going to fight for you. I have always been a quiet and a private person. But this kind of business where I can't join, I don't know so it could be. This particular burial where we begin the matter for before, nobody, even the people who come out, people who plan them, people where they bury their mama, people where we meet on ground, the town, we know no so it could be. But the thing where go show say you don't become man, they say any situation where you see you go come around and say you dey there, you go put head, contact that there, you don't go run. So anything where we see, as you can see that crowd that there and then the people, because most of my people will be big men, you don't see them, because they walk. Think they walk out like say we plan and we no plan for 1/5 of that crowd. We no plan them at all. We just did the normal setting. My life, now one kind, I get a CB, and they pray. Because before you come out of your house, you're supposed to pray. You don't be like say, if you don't pray, you can't be like say, come the naked come out. You are body go dey open for different attack. Cause for this world things there. Any person will tell you something no dey for this world. That as you can't do the right thing, even people, angels, go dey fight for you. You go dey work, you can't be like saying your energy or your own power, not be you. You don't say what happen for that burial. People they talk still be cool, man, get money. Which money? Don't see people will get money for Anambra. For this Nigeria, not be about money, not be money, a goodwill. I think the most important highlight in all this be say other people will get money. Other people will get money before they even born us. Other people will get money pass us. Other people will they try to get money, but no say money no be everything. Because that's what happened that day. Money no fit buy them. No fit na crowd, no fit rent them. Not possible. See all those kind mammoth crowd. Person no die. They no rape person. They no steal any motor. They no break any house. No be say we pay the crowd. Because they feel say this man don't try. So the takeaway in all this be say any money we make for this world, not one where we carry go yonder. And here everything end. So as the chop they enjoy, you will remember people where they around you. Because as evil as man be, there's the amount of love where you go show him. You go look, you say, man, I leave this one. Confess another person. Not be say if you change them, if you change some, but those one where their heart don't black. Because say, I leave this one go. To try to connect with your people. Try to connect with your schoolmates, family, your brothers, associates, people where you meet on the line. Because last, all of us go die. Part thing be say, walk. If you're in your 20s now, me I'm 46 years old. And 46 they told me, young boy, I don't do my first half. Because I don't have a day now. So, I don't know how a person will go there 20 years, you go to say, you never make where you still get like at least 50 years ahead of you, 60 years ahead of you. And this business where they do, this thing where no matter what, 2 years, you will begin to see result. 1 year of hard work, you will begin to see result. Just pray for consistency. So this word is about connectivity. Find what you go fit do. Pray to God, make human connections, and you go to work. No soap to cut for anybody. Soap no day anywhere. Walk, pray, be good. You don't make your own soap. Carry a bath. You know the cut the face of anybody for this world. That's how you be.